I guess you would say, or laser into them, and the other one as a cleanup process. So let me show you what that looks like in the laser and how I set it up. I will tell you, setup is the hard part of all of this. Everything else is super easy. When I look at this, I think about, oh yeah, you could make a jig if you had a 3D printer, but I don't have a 3D printer, and you could buy a jig on Etsy. If you have time, you could do that. For me, my computer's making noises. For me, I'm just going to be using this lid right here, and this lid is to a top of a spray paint can, okay? So usually you have those laying around, and then we just put a piece of tape on there to hold it in straight. So let's go ahead and get started and make one of these. All right, so I'm going to start off by using a gold bulb. And like I said, I'm going to use my lid, and I'm just going to put it in here as straight as I can. Like I said, I don't have a jig, so I just we've improvised what we're going to use. And I'm just kind of taping it right here so it stays in place. All right, so my work area is a mess, I know. So I'm going to be doing this one right here. And so the sizing is, you have to be careful with sizing. You don't want it to be too big because then you kind of lose the design some. So the main thing is you want these two dots on here.